Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am going to show you how I was able to customize a soap dish that I got from Dollar Tree. And how I got this idea was from the Uni Best, or the Best Uni, on her YouTube channel. She shows you how to do different projects. I mean, she just tries things out. And so I said, you know what, let me see if I can try this too. So the supplies you will need are sticker paper, laminate paper, scissors, the image that you want to print, and your soap dish that I got from Dollar Tree. So what I'm showing you is I've already printed the images out. I've made the oval shape. The size of the oval I'll put on the side of the screen so you'll know what that size is. And right now I'm putting the laminate paper that I got from Walmart in the kitchen section. Again, a tip from the Best Uni. I got that tip from her. I was able to layer or put the laminate paper over the image, the sticker paper, and now I'm going to cut it out. But now, as I take that off, okay, I'm just gonna, cut that piece of paper off on the edge. I cut it out, and as you can see, there are like some little creases in it. It was hard trying to put the laminate paper over it. Maybe I should have been on a desk. I was trying to do this on my chair. But anyway, so I was trying to decide if I want to put this on either the front of the tray, of the dish tray, or on the back side. And you'll see what I mean as I flip it over. See, just like that. So it's deeper that way or flat this way. Okay. So what I'm going to do is try them both ways. So I'm going to see how it looks and what happens as I put it in. Now, as an FYI, the way I tried to insert it, as you can see, it was very hard and difficult, because when I put it in, you still see those little creases there. It was hard, and once you put sticker paper down, there's no coming back from it. And if I tried to lift it up, you would see that on the other side. So I said, okay, I'm just going to leave it in there. And so those creases that you see are still there. So then I tried the other side. I didn't want to waste another soap dish, so I tried this out on the other side, and as you can see, those creases weren't there when I put the sticker paper, when I put the laminate paper on it. But the moment I put it on this soap dish, those creases came through. I don't know why. I even used my little scraper. I used a credit card to flatten it out, and that didn't work. But anyway, here's how it looks with the soap. I had to go find the soap because we usually use liquid soap, but I found one from a hotel that one of the hotel's things, little box. So anyway, I put that in so you can see how it looks with it, the depthness or where it's flat. Okay, you can choose whatever side you want. So you actually have like a two-sided soap dish for less than $2. Okay. So once I get better at this, I'll be able to, determine how much I would charge for this. But thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn your notifications on to my YouTube channel. I look forward to providing you guys with more fun DIYs. Since we're in this quarantine time, you're probably looking for some crafts that you can do. Hey, you can even do these with your kids. Let's have fun this summer. Bye.